Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram gallery on your Shopify store. With that being said, I am using the Nismo theme. So the Nismo theme, which is right here. I will have a link in the description. You guys can use also my discount code is also in the description. You can get $100 off using my discount code on the Nismo theme. But every theme is built a little bit differently. So some Shopify themes have this, some Shopify themes do not have this. But you could see here, I have an Instagram gallery, right? So this is essentially how it looks like. And the best thing about Instagram galleries is that you can pick, or you should pick, this is really what's the most important thing, is that you should pick what images go there. And they should be directly related to sales-related images. If I was to just connect to my Instagram normally, right, for this Shopify store, it would pick all the default images in my Instagram. I don't want that, right? I don't want it to update normally through my Instagram. I want to be able to take my photos from Instagram, pick and choose which ones go in there, and create a gallery here. So basically what this is almost like a pseudo gallery. So here, if you click on this little plus section, add section, if you look through, there's a button that says Instagram. This is the Instagram gallery. Okay, you click on it. I already have one here, as you guys can see. But the way it works is you have either the API, which most people don't know how to use the API. It's code and stuff like that. But either way, if you're going to use the API, then you're not going to be able to pick and choose what photos go in. It just automatically picks the photos. Or you can go ahead and use the Instagram upload manual, which is exactly what I do. Now, the Instagram upload manual allows you to have these photos that you can pick and choose which one goes in it. So for example, if I click on Instagram upload manual, the first one, hit select image, and I pick one of the images, let's just say I pick this one, I hit done, the image is going to arise. Now, it doesn't look proper, it doesn't look right, it was cut off, so there's some changes that need to be made. So with me, if you look here on this Instagram gallery, all my images are a 3:4 ratio size. So what is a 3:4? A 3:4 is this vertical kind of style where it's more long than it is wide. Okay, you can have a square style just like this if you really want to. It works for some businesses. Once again, your Instagram gallery should be photos on your store, photos that are directly related to the sale of a product. So either you have models showing off your product, mock-ups of the actual product, kind of like what I have here, because I'm selling posters, for example. So that is an example of what you would do. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and click Instagram, and then you're going to click on aspect ratio. So we have a 1:1, we have a 4:3, right? We have a 3:4, which is what I have, and then you have a 16:9, which is very, very wide, okay? And so this is what I'm picking, 3:4. It just depends on the images that you upload, right? Every business is different, once again. And then you're going to select how many images you want to show and the style. So currently the style is a carousel. Now, what is a carousel? Carousel means that these images are going to slide, right? We don't want that, at least me personally. So I have here a grid. A grid means that these images are not sliding, they're not moving, they're staying just the way they are. And that's personally what I like to have. And I found that works pretty decent. So I'm going to click on grid here, and notice how it's set up. It says items per row, and it's set to 6. Okay. If this was on carousel and I set to autoplay, this would move from side to side to side, show arrows, show bullets, right? It would move. I don't want that once again. So I'm going to click on grid. Okay. I'm going to remove all of these settings here, and then I can select how many images I want to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 different slots here. I can move this down, and it would be 5. I can move this down, and it would be 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I can also select how many images I want to show. So for example, if I want to create just one row, then all I need is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd go over here and I would delete these last two. So I'd delete this one, and there we go. And I would just add more. In my case, I already have them added, like I said. And so I'm going to go ahead and delete this section that I don't want. So I have this deleted and I have all the images here that I need. Now what you can do if you want to link them to products so that they are clickable, because right now they're not clickable in my case, right? So just to show you kind of how this works, if we just click here, view, right? And we go to the store homepage and we start scrolling down. This is the gallery, okay? Notice how it's fitted really nice on the page. Right now, it just shows this little Instagram thing when you hover over. But once again, I want it to be clickable, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on any one of these in the list, and I'm going to select the link. Now, this one selects the wolf poster. So I'll click the link one, click products, right, and I'll find the wolf poster. So this is the black wolf. Let's see if we have any other ones. Yep, this is the wolf poster. It's the proper one. I'll hit save. And I'll do another one right here for you guys, this lion. So I'll click on the photo, which is this, or excuse me, let me get rid of this. Click on the actual photo here, and then I'll go in here and paste the link of the product, or click on it rather by finding it, and I'll look through my product list. This is the product, hit line poster, and hit save. Now, if I was to test this, what should ideally happen is I click on one of these and it will take me to the product. So let's go ahead and refresh the page here. I scroll down and I can select this one, for example. I select it and there we go. It takes me to the actual product page. Perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. So there we go, guys. That's how you build a Instagram gallery. Like I said, it's built into the Shopify theme. So different Shopify themes are built differently. Some Shopify themes do not have this feature. Some of them do have this feature. Every theme is a little bit different, but that's kind of how you use it. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll leave some links in the description. You can watch the rest of this series, building the Shopify store, if you want to learn how I built it. And once again, if you want to use this theme, I'll leave the discount code in the link in the description. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Bye.